Good morning. We have been studying about Mumbai and we have almost reached to the last part of the chapter. So today let's read about the shopping malls, markets and film city. Before we go to the reading part, let's quickly do this section. Progress milestone. Tick the correct option. Let's check if we remember all that we studied till now. Okay. Mumbai is the capital of West Bengal. Yes or no? No. Mumbai is the capital of? What is the correct answer? Maharashtra. Yes. Next question. The climate of Mumbai is moderate. Yes or no? Yes, the climate of Mumbai is moderate. Next. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most important festival of Maharashtra. The answer is yes. Mumbai is the birthplace of Hollywood. The answer is no. Now we will read the last part of the chapter, that is about the shopping malls, markets and film city. So, I want all of you to read along with me. Alright? Mumbai has many famous malls like Atria Mall and Phoenix Mall. This is a picture of Phoenix Market City, and this is the biggest shopping mall in India, located at Kurla in Mumbai. So earlier we heard that Bombay had a lot of textile mills, and one of those textile mills was the Phoenix Mills. So today that Phoenix Mills have developed into this particular Phoenix Market City. And also it's a really huge place, as you can see, and it's the largest in India. So we'll continue the reading. The markets offer an exciting shopping experience to the visitors. There are many markets like the Kalba Devi Market, Bhuleshwar, Zaveri, Link Road Market and Crawford Market. This is a picture of the Crawford Market, which is located in South Mumbai. So next we move on to the topic of Film City. We all know that Mumbai is the birthplace of Bollywood and Film City is located in Mumbai. And in Film City, most of the Hindi films and TV serials are made. Most of the film stars and TV artists also live in Mumbai. You can see here on the right side is a picture of the Film City of Mumbai. And with that, we complete our lesson of Mumbai. Let's together revise the points which we learned in this lesson. Let's all read together. Mumbai is the biggest metropolis of India. Earlier, it was known as Bombay. Where is Mumbai located? Mumbai is located on the western coast of India. What about the climate? The climate of Mumbai is moderate. All offices of the Maharashtra state government are located in Mumbai. Mumbai also has the largest textile industry in India. What else is there in Mumbai? Do you remember? The Bombay Stock Exchange is also in Mumbai, which is one of the largest stock markets in India. Many tourist places, beautiful monuments, beaches are located in Mumbai. And lastly, the film city, which is the birthplace of Bollywood, is also located in Mumbai. So I hope you have understood all the parts of this lesson, and next we will just check out the questions in this last part. So we'll have a question answer time. For the last part which we covered today, name some of the markets in Mumbai. Crawford Market, Link Road Market. Mumbai is the birthplace of Bollywood. So with that, we complete the lesson of Mumbai. I hope you all were able to understand this lesson well and you are now confident to answer all the question answers for this lesson. With that, we will complete this lesson.